Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen again. Today's recipe is Creamy Paneer Masala. Let's get into the video. To make this recipe, you will need 200 grams of paneer, 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, some basic spices, red chili powder, jeera powder, haldi, salt, 2 tablespoons of dahi or curd, and some besan for the binding. We will chop the veggies in 2 ways. Onions finely chopped and also in the form of dice, as you can see. Similarly, we will chop the tomatoes and then we will make it dice. Capsicum, we will only dice them. And next will be green chilies. We will finely chop them. We will also chop ginger, finely chopped, as you can see, and keep everything aside. And all the chopping is ready. We will also take 4 cashews just to increase the richness of the gravy. We have capsicum diced, onion diced, cashews and tomatoes diced, and rest tomato, ginger, green chili and onions finely chopped. Now we will marinate the veggies and the paneer. Curd, besan, some basic spices. We will mix it together and now marinate the paneer, the diced veggies. We will keep it marinated for 15 minutes. Now heat oil in pan and we will first fry the marinated paneer and veggies in high flame. Toss them and this is how it will look. Keep it aside. Now we will make the masala or the gravy. For this, heat ghee or oil, add some garam masala and the finely chopped ginger, onion, green chili and all the spices and fry them. Next, add the finely chopped tomatoes and the cashews and again fry them. Next step is to add the fried paneer and the diced vegetables and again mix them together. Add little bit of oil and also some water just to adjust the consistency and then add your fresh cream. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until the oil comes up and your delicious creamy paneer masala is ready to be served. You can serve this hot with rumali roti or normal roti, or eat it with rice as well. For such delicious recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Be happy, be healthy. Till then, keep watching my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Take care.